Hello, my name is Sumaya. Today I'm going to show you how to use a TT Flashlight Camera. It's perfect for beginners who want to set up their photography game. Stick around and I will show you everything you need to know about this. So it's the TT520II Godox. So it works with batteries. It needs 4 batteries. I'm gonna put the 4th one like that. We have the power button. We have the test button. So I'm gonna switch it on, as you can see. And then there is the test button here. You can test if it's working, or you can test the brightness of the lights. So there you go. Then we have here the mode. For beginners, you don't need to worry about modes. Here you can change the modes to manual, S1, S2. I always go with manual. And here we have the minus and plus buttons if you want to change the brightness of your flash. So we have these levels. It's super bright. I like it. You can use it in 2 ways. I'm gonna start with the first way you can use it is to use it directly on your camera. So it's on flash camera. You can plug it this way. So you turn it on. You choose your brightness. Then you set your camera. You go, of course, with the lowest ISO you have on your camera, and then you take your picture. See, if you work in events, this is the setup you're gonna go with. You don't have another choice. But if you want to do portraits, you want to do products, you definitely should use it off camera and not on camera. And I'm gonna show you how to use it off camera. It's so easy as well. So when you want to use it off camera, you need this piece that comes with it. So the box, when you order this flash, it comes with this piece. It's the trigger, and it comes with this piece as well if you want to mount your flash on a tripod. And I will show you how to do that in a second. This is the trigger. So what it does is it links your camera to your flash. So when you want to take photo, you press the button. It tells the flash that you should work. Go on, do your work. So you can put your flash anywhere you want and your camera somewhere else. Easy. This is how the TT Flashlight Camera works. This one is easy because all you have to do is to choose the brightness you want to work with. So if you want to mount it on a tripod, you slide it like that, easy, and then you put it on, you mount it on a tripod, something like that. And then you mount the trigger on your camera, like that. These Cobra flashlights are very good. They are very affordable compared to the strobe lights, and they are very powerful. You can use as many as you want, 2, 3 at the same time, and you can sync them together. The only inconvenience is that they work with batteries, and you have always to watch out. Be careful that you don't run out of battery, especially if you're working outside, you're doing an outside photo shoots. And you can go with the rechargeable batteries. They are a good option if you want to avoid buying batteries every now and then. This is the only inconvenience for these lights. They are very lightweight, easy to use, easy to manipulate. I like them so much, to be honest. So like I said, this is the only inconvenience. Other than that, they are perfect, especially if you are a beginner. If you want to start to use artificial lights, flashlight. Get these ones. You can get two I think are more than enough for any kind of photography you're doing. Products, portraits, they are good. You can start with this one and learn how to manipulate, how to place, how to diffuse artificial lights, and then you can go on with other options like strobe lights. So let's take some photos with these lights to show you how powerful they are, how useful they are, how gorgeous they are. I'm gonna use it as an off-camera flash because this is how I work with them in my products photography. And let's choose a product and shoot it for a tutorial purpose. So this is the setup. I have my product here, I have my background, and I have my camera here installed on a tripod, and I'm gonna mount the flashlights. So as you can see, I have the flash, the product, and the camera here. I'm gonna take some shots and show you how it works. So this is the first photo I've got using only the flashlights. As you can see, it's super bright. It's super bright. I'm gonna lower the brightness a little bit. So I lowered the brightness a little bit. And this is what I've got. It's much better. Okay, I added fill light. It's a continuous diffuse light, and now I'm gonna add white board to bounce back the light coming from the flashlight, so it can light up these parts of the products. There we go. And this is what I've got. I was very happy with the result. After a few retouches, this was the final photo.